Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to add transition to a video in Capcut. But before we begin, please subscribe to this channel and like this video as it really helps this channel a lot. So if you have two videos and you want to add a transition, so something like an effect on a video, so it basically transitions from one video to the second, then let me show you how to do this in Capcut. So before you begin, you want to first go to your App Store or Play Store. Here you need to go ahead and make sure Capcut is updated to the latest version. Once updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, we'll go ahead and tap on New Project, and we'll go ahead and paste two videos. Tap Add. So now we have this one video, which is a meme video, and then we have this YouTuber video. However, in between of that, it basically just switches over and goes over to the next video. So we want to go ahead and add a transition. So to add a transition in between these two videos, we'll go ahead and tap on this line just between the two videos. This will now ask you what kind of transition you want to apply. So you can go ahead and browse through these different transitions. There are pro options, there are overlay options, there are light effects as well, movements, blur, and many more. So I'll go ahead and choose this no surround. Tap got it, and we'll go ahead and tick on it. So now when we press play, you'll see that transition added in between your videos in Capcut. If you want to change that transition, you can go ahead and tap in between of the clips again, and then go ahead and choose the second one. So now when we press play, you'll see a new transition. So there you go, guys. That is how to add a transition to a video in Capcut.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.